Hey there, this is Tara with WTI. My husband has to travel a lot for work, so these bad boys from Kinderfluff have really helped me out. I love how lightweight and easy to use these are. It has a little sticky side, so it's easy just to be able to position it, rub it on, and then it stays up for a really long time. And then I also like how when I'm traveling with my husband and he has to work, I can adjust it to whichever direction the sun is coming from. I can even double up these two mats together to be able to give me a little bit more of added protection. I love how I can move these around and adjust them according to the position of the sun. And then when I'm not using them, it's easy just to be able to take them down and store them in the pocket behind the seat. And I've even used them for whenever I have to tote around a little friend of mine in her car seat. She's loved them too. And that is just my point of view.